So how does TopCashback work? So in this video, I'm quickly just going to show you how TopCashback works and how you can start claiming cashback through all your online shopping. But before we begin, if you need to sign up to TopCashback, I'll leave my referral link in the description, as if you use my referral link to sign up to TopCashback, you'll be eligible for a free £10 sign up bonus when you sign up through my link. But anyway, moving on to the point of the video and explaining how TopCashback works, it's exactly the same process no matter who you're claiming cashback through. So for the example of this video, let's say we want to book a hotel through trip.com. So we'll just need to find the trip.com listing on TopCashback. So you can use the search bar to search for it. And as you can see here, if we pull up the trip.com listing, you can claim 5.5% cashback when you book a hotel through trip.com. So the way this works is companies are essentially affiliated with TopCashback. So if you do all your online shopping through TopCashback links, TopCashback will essentially pay you a percentage of your booking right back to you once you check out. So continuing with the example of this video, as I said, let's say we want to book a hotel through trip.com. We'll just want to go ahead and click on the red button that says get up to 5.5% cashback. Then once you've done that, it will then pull you through to the website, which in this case is trip.com, and you just want to go ahead and make your booking. So as I said, for the example of this video, we're going to book a hotel through trip.com, so you just want to go ahead and make the booking like normal. There's no need to enter any discount codes or anything like that, but the most important thing is you must make sure that you make the purchase for exactly the same tab that TopCashback opens up, as that's what links the sale to your account, which in turn is how TopCashback give you your cashback. Then once you've made the booking or made your purchase, you should get an email off of TopCashback. Sometimes it can vary, sometimes it takes 10 minutes, sometimes it takes an hour, but it should look like this, notifying you that your cashback has successfully been tracked. And it's as simple as that. And if you go back into TopCashback, go up to account here, select on earnings, and then you should see a pending amount in your TopCashback account from whoever you've bought from, with the amount of cashback that you're due to be paid back from that purchase. So as you can see here, we're due to get £4.61 back from trip.com from our recent booking. And that process is the same no matter which brand you're buying from through TopCashback. But the most important thing is whoever you purchase through TopCashback, you must use the same link that TopCashback provided you, as that's how they link the sale to your account. So as you can see, right now it's pending. So depending on the brand, it does take a few weeks for it to become payable. But the moment it does, you'll then be notified again, and it will be highlighted in green like this purchase is here. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you want to find out how to cash out of TopCashback, I have already made a video on that, so I'll be sure to link it below for you. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.